All right, guys, you're welcome to the 18th question of this challenge. And we still have another question on logarithm. How do we simplify this logarithmic expression? Okay, guys, do not confuse this as log A over B. That's a base A. And that is what? Log A base A minus log B base A. This and these are not the same. You can see in this case, the input is what have the rational expression, but here this is different entirely. So please do not think of this stuff as this one. Okay, they are not the same. This is not log 8 over 4. This is log 8 over log 4. So guys, how do we get started? That is the next question. I might solve this problem for you in different ways depending on the time. So let's get started with the most easiest way possible. The most easiest way possible. Now, first thing you recognize is that this logarithm do not have base, so they are all in base 10. So what do we do from here? You remember 8 can be written as 2 to the 3 and 4 can be written as 2 to the 2. That makes sense for us because they both have the same base. So now I will write them as log 2 to the 3 all upon log 2 to the 2. And from the laws of logarithm, this will fall behind. So you have 3 log 2 all over 2 log 2. Of course, log 2, we cancel out log 2, and what we are left with is 3 over 2. And that is option B. Option C, right? Okay. The other ways you can solve this problem using the change of base. Let me show you that one. Maybe you like math a lot. Let me show you that one. There's a theorem or there's a law in logarithm. It says if I have log A base B, for instance, then I decide to change the base now. Let's say the base is B right here. It's clear the base is B. And I want to change the base. It's going to be the same as log. Let's say I want to change the base to C. So that would be like log A base C all over log B base C. You can see now the base has changed to C, while this guy and this guy becomes the input. So it's possible you can actually do that. So this guy is the same as this. So when the base are the same and they're like this, we can break them down to this form. So remember we are given that log 8, which is base 10 here, all over log 4, which is base 10. You can see they both have 10. So I can write this stuff like this. So that becomes now log 8 base 4. Take note, log 8 base 4. So I have just changed the base. Do you understand the concept? So from here now, you can quickly just say that this is the same as log 2 to the 3, and this is 2 to the 2. And of course, this falls behind, and this falls behind. The base power and the input power falls behind. So we have 3 upon 2. And that is log 2 base 2. What is log 2 base 2? That is 1. So that's 3 over 2 times 1 will give us 3 over 2. So the answer is still C. So this is the most easiest way possible. This is just to tell you different possibilities of solving this particular problem. So guys, I hope you're learning some stuff here. And if you're doing that, let me know in the comment section. And do not forget to share this video to other learners. Thank you and God bless you. Bye-bye.